Welcome to Prague, a city where history, culture, and architecture come together in breathtaking harmony. Today we will explore 5 must-visit highlights that capture the essence of this enchanting city. From majestic churches to iconic landmarks, each of these locations has its own unique story to tell and represents a key part of what makes Prague so captivating. Our journey begins at St. Nicholas Church, one of Prague's finest Baroque masterpieces. Its construction began in 1704, and it has since become a symbol of architectural grandeur. Stepping inside, you're greeted by an awe-inspiring interior, featuring vast frescoes that cover the dome and walls, each depicting scenes from the lives of saints. St. Nicholas Church is more than a place of worship. It's an artistic and spiritual experience that offers a window into Prague's Baroque soul. As we leave the grandeur of St. Nicholas behind, we make our way to the Charles Bridge, one of the most iconic landmarks in Europe. Spanning over 500 meters across the Vltava River, the bridge is lined with 30 Baroque statues of saints, each with its own story. But beyond the history, what truly sets Charles Bridge apart is its atmosphere. Musicians, artists and performers bring the bridge to life day and night. As you walk along its cobbled path, you'll be treated to magnificent views of Prague. Whether at sunrise, sunset or beneath the stars, the experience of walking across Charles Bridge is something truly magical, a moment that feels like stepping back in time. Just beyond the bridge lies the colourful and ever-changing Lenin Wall, a symbol of peace, hope, and artistic freedom. Since the 1980s, this once ordinary wall became a space for young people to express their frustration during the communist regime, using graffiti inspired by John Lennon and the Beatles. What started as rebellious slogans and lyrics has grown into a vibrant mosaic of street art, constantly evolving as new visitors leave their own mark. The wall is a living tribute to the ideals of peace and love, and its messages continue to resonate today. After absorbing the lively energy of the Lenin Wall, it's time to enjoy a peaceful moment by taking a stroll along the Vltava River. The river runs through the heart of Prague and offers some of the city's most stunning views. Whether walking along the banks or taking a boat ride, the Vltava offers a chance to relax and see the city from a new perspective. As you walk, you'll pass under weeping willows, cross charming bridges, and spot swans gliding across the water. This peaceful promenade along the Vltava provides a moment to pause, reflect, and take in the beauty of the city from a more serene vantage point. Our final stop on this journey takes us to St. Francis of Assisi Church, a beautiful and often overlooked gem located near the Old Town entrance to the Charles Bridge. Though smaller than St. Nicholas Church, St. Francis is equally captivating in its own right. Its striking green dome is a landmark in itself, visible from various points across the city. Inside, the church is adorned with Baroque-style frescoes and sculptures, creating a sense of quiet reverence. This church has a unique connection to Prague's musical history, as it's home to one of the oldest organs in the city, dating back to the 18th century, and is often the site of intimate classical concerts. St. Francis of Assisi Church may not be as grand as some of Prague's larger landmarks, but it offers a moment of peace and reflection, a perfect end to any exploration of the city's spiritual and cultural heart. As we conclude our journey through these 5 must-visit spots in Prague, it becomes clear that this city is a place where history speaks through its architecture, its art, and its atmosphere. From the majesty of St. Nicholas Church to the quiet beauty of the Vltava River, each highlight offers a unique perspective on Prague's rich and vibrant story. Whether visiting for the first time or returning to experience its timeless charm, these landmarks will leave a lasting impression and invite you to explore even more of what this incredible city has to offer. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy exploring.